Hi everyone, this is Kerry. Quick update on the blacksmith shop. It's August 28th, 2009. Not much happening around the forge. I'm still concentrating and focusing on some of the exterior and landscaping and just some of the theme here. So I'll just give you a quick walk by again while the sun's out and get some good shots maybe of what we're looking at on the outside. And we'll take a quick walk through on the inside, and hopefully there's enough light to see what I got going as far as the working shop goes. Okay, in this end of the shop, it's just an area where I've got kind of a library, shelf storage, and some nuts and bolt bin storage. There's a little wood burner. And now we'll go into this half of the shop. This is where the main functioning part of the blacksmith shop is. There's the forge down there at the other end. Maybe a quick look at some of the tools I've got hanging around. There's my nail keg tong rack and my crudely built hammer rack. There's the main workbench, rather cluttered right now. There's my 25-pound little giant trip hammer. And right back of it is an old flat belt camelback drill. Check this out. I've been working out. Let me try it this way. Oh, that's a strain and a struggle. Here's a quick look at some of my beginner work. Leaves and scrolls and just experimental twists and this and that. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.